Good morning. What a balcony view over Bilbao. I sat out a very rainy day yesterday, but today there's a few showers about, but much improved. So I'm beginning my Camino de Santiago, the north route. Probably go about 50 kilometers today. I won't probably stay in an auberge tonight. There's not one ideally situated, hopefully tomorrow. So today will be my first night camping in Spain. Doesn't fit. This is what happens when you buy things on the internet. Or there. Far from a buen camino, my first interaction on the Camino was an older lady angry at me because I was accidentally in the wrong place. So I shall try my best not to let that taint the start of my journey. Raincoats away, hopefully that is the last shower, and I'm going to enjoy some sunshine for the rest of the day. Buena. Buen camino.
Gracias.
I'm in the Basque Country for a few more kilometres, so I've got some, is it called Pinchos? This one is supposed to eat in one gulp, but that's not happening. And then this, oh, I thought it was like pizza, but it's like really soggy. Okay, I see what's going on. It's not soggy pizza. It's like a giant tortilla omelette with potato. I like it. I'm scared about this one though. One bite, right? Amazing. I guess that over there, that's where I had my pinchos. The official Camino cuts across about half a kilometre of sandy beach back there, so I'm going to save myself that job and just swing inland for a few kilometres. That is the beach I would have been walking across. Lovely bridge here though. Oh, what? No, I'm not going up there. Nope. Abort mission. There's some camping going on here. Just thought I'd stop to get my Pilgrim Passport stamped, but they're not open. They're supposed to be open from 2 o'clock year round, so that doesn't bode very well for future auberge. Hola. Oh. Buen camino. David has organised that I stay with a friend of his here in Castro Urdiales, so no camping tonight, which is a result.